our channel. We are going to be making something today. It's a surprise to her. Last time, we made
pink and purple
glitter slime, but that was last tutorial. Let's get to this tutorial. So, this was a surprise for her. She didn't know, but let's reveal. Today, we are going to be making fluffy slime. She loves fluffy slime, so I knew that would be the perfect thing. So let's get started. Ingredients you will need are glue. We used white glue. You will need shaving cream. No, take yours. We will need contact solution and baking soda. We will also need
bowls and spoons, lotion, which is optional.
It makes it stretchier and softer.
Yeah. And then also food coloring, which is also optional.
It just makes it have a big pop of color. Now let's get to mixing. So I will go first. And I'm going to pour about half of this in. Yeah. Well, I'm just going to pour some in.
Yeah, not that much because I think it'll overflow the bowl.
Okay.
Not to be mean and all, but you know.
This might take a while, guys.
I feel like this is so mesmerizing. Okay, so
okay.
So you finished?
Like that. Don't pour too much in.
I won't.
Okay. So let's just get our white glue in. You can use clear glue, whatever. We're going to make white fluffy slime. So that's why we're using
non-clear.
White glue. Yeah, non-clear.
Water would make this clear. Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
Okay.
No, that's not enough. Okay, that's
okay, so we'll put this
off to the side.
Off to the side. I'll put it on the side.
Okay, got it.
We'll put this off to the side. Now, let's add shaving cream.
Don't forget to shake it.
I want it really, really fluffy, so I'm going to add a lot. Oh, wait, I got it. Okay. I want it really, really fluffy.
I think that's enough. A little bit more. Okay.
I love fluff. Okay.
Okay,
So
now I
let
think
me
we
just
should add
get
food
the
color.
excess. Okay, so yeah, let's add food coloring. I'm just gonna put the lid on so that this doesn't spill. And we'll put these to the side. Next,
I'm gonna pick yellow.
we're gonna do some food coloring. I'm gonna pick blue. So we'll add like 3 drops, depending on how colorful you want it. I want mine pretty colorful, so I'm gonna add like 2 drops. Okay.
Oh no, guys! My fingers are
It's
turning
okay.
yellow.
Okay, so let's set those to the side again. I'll take your yellow.
Yes.
Now let's mix and then we'll add lotion.
No contact solution.
No lotion first.
Oh yeah.
You add everything before contact solution.
And if you don't think your color is enough vibrant, then you should add a little bit more.
Like I don't think mine's vibrant enough.
Yeah, I think I'll need a little
Here's
more.
yellow. I'm gonna add like 2 more drops, maybe 3. Okay. Let's mix it up.
I'm having a little trouble here, guys. Whoa.
That did not happen.
Yeah.
Tice always drops things.
I know.
I gotta tell ya.
I know.
Okay, maybe she doesn't always.
She's lying.
Maybe she doesn't always, but we both drop a lot of things. Mine's still not vibrant enough. I want a really vibrant blue, guys. So,
Hers is like a baby blue. I'm making mine a baby yellow. See, it's like a duckling color. Or like a baby chicken. It's very pretty.
I'm still.
It's not like a yellow lemon.
I'm still working on
It's
my.
not a sour color. And maybe at that, maybe we're gonna luck out and it's gonna be like perfect.
Maybe you just can add like a little bit more yellow. It's really, really pale.
I mean, I think I'll only add like 2 more drops because I want mine to be a baby. like a baby color.
I want mine to be like.
See,
a
look.
little more
So the
tealish.
yellow always looks orange or red sometimes, but once you mix it, it turns more yellow.
That's what red does too. It's so weird.
I know, because it looks.
And blue looks like green sometimes when you pour it in.
Mhm.
Okay.
I think mine's vibrant.
I
I think I'll add 2 more drops.
same here. See, like blue looks kind of green. Blue looks kind of black.
Yeah,
I don't really like it until you mix it in and see the beauty on the other side.
And I wonder how much glue we have. If we have enough glue, we could probably do another video. Well, probably tomorrow. When it's a
Yeah.
different day. Well, maybe today. I don't know. We'll see if we have time for it.
Okay. Now
And cameraman, don't give me the stink eye.
so let's mix it in a little bit, just to make sure.
This is a very beautiful
Oh, guys, look!
baby yellow.
I have to get all the glue from on the.
Oh yeah, I haven't even done that.
You have to get all the.
Actually, mine is actually pretty yellow.
You have to,
And yeah, and as you guys actually don't know, my favorite color is actually yellow. Well, it just changed, so I think it's like a really pretty color. It's practically me.
okay.
Put that over
So
there.
now we're gonna start. No. Oh,
Yeah,
we're
you
gonna
can
start
start
with
with
baking soda
or contact
or
solution.
contact solution. I
Whichever
like
you wanna
doing
start with.
both because
Yeah.
when you put both, they really collaborate really well.
Oh, it looks like one of those lemon cakes. Oh, it's looking yummy.
Look how juicy mine is, guys. You got yellow on the contact solution. Guys, this is looking good.
I don't know if mine's forming yet. No, mine's not forming.
Mine's forming pretty well, guys. So, we need lotion.
Oh,
We'll add that in at the end.
Yeah.
This is
That did not happen. None of it spilled.
mine's like all over my hands, guys. I'm gonna wash my hands. I just like stuffed the spoon to me. So
Mine's still not good
I
yet.
have like non-activated slime all over me. So
My
now,
slime is not activating.
as I get back,
Okay.
I'm gonna add some baking soda now.
I think mine's going to be good if I add a little bit of contact solution.
Yeah, because you always have to add both for a perfect slime. That's what I always do, and I always get the perfect slime.